and welcome back to my channel. I just got home from work and look what is here. I got my Tri Beauty, my BoxyCharm, and a new box from Gerard Cosmetics. I'm just going to set them back down over here. We're going to get into one box at a time, so stay tuned for the other two boxes. So in this video, as you can see from my oh my goodness, I had a long day. For my description box, I'm going to be unboxing the Tri Beauty box. It is a bi-monthly box, for those of you that don't know. It does cost $34.99 every other month. Here in the States, you have to pay at least I do. I have to pay $5 for shipping. As the company, my notes are right here. The company is based in Canada, so everybody basically has to pay shipping. I don't know if she ships international or not, but I will link her website down below. Billy's is the owner, female-owned business. So I will link that down below so you can go ahead and check it out and get yourself a box if you like this video. This month's box is all about face essentials, so I'm looking forward to that. So let's get into her. I've already sliced it open, and let's see. Oh, box is stuck. Go figure. Okay, there we go. So I opened up the box, and this is what it looks like. It always comes with a nice little card that has all the products and a little bit about them. And then also does include prices right there at the end. So we'll see if how much did I say this cost? I put the paper away I'm like all over the place today. It was a long day today, and I'm like exhausted, but was super happy that all this stuff was here when I got home. It kind of made up for the crummy day that I had today. Yes, for my basically $35, $40 if I include the shipping. So, alright, as I said, this box this month is all going to be about our face. Last month was our eyes, this month it's our face. So the first item, I did say spoilers, so I knew this item was going to be in here. The original Beauty Blender, it looks like that. It's this turquoise, Just Chill Beauty Blender. It's this turquoise blue or lime green, whatever color you want to say. It looks more lime mint green maybe. So the Beauty Blender, Just Chill. It costs $20. So basically it pays for about half the box. It is water activated in a teal makeup applicator that expands to twice its size when wet. It's designed for basically for powder and liquid. For blending liquid and powder products all over your complexion, use in a bouncing motion to create a smooth airbrush finish. So I like that. $20. I'll stick with my Real Techniques brush though. The next item I pulled out is from Rodial or Rodial. I don't know. I've never heard of this brand. It is a Glamo Brow in dark ash brown. What is this? This is a precision eyebrow pencil. I don't know if I want to open this up. It says it is designed, what does it say for this? Create a perfectly defined brow with this dual-ended precision eyebrow pencil with an ultra-fine retractable tip. This makes for easy shaping and filling in of brows for buildable, what did I say? Buildable. I don't know what I just said, but buildable is the word. Buildable definition and a polished finish. The soft cream gel texture mimics the look of brow hair and is smear-proof with long-wearing hold, offering great payoff and blendability. The spiral bristle brush on the other tip allows for expert shaping. by framing your face with a strong brow, this can immediately lift the eye area. I do agree with that. Like I said, I don't know if I want to open this or not. I've got a lot of eyebrow pencils right now. I've got a NYX one that I'm using. I also have a flower one that I purchased. And I've also got a tattoo eyeliner from the flower line too. If you want me to do reviews of those items, please let me know. Also, this is dark ash brown. I'm thinking this might be too dark, so I'm gonna stick this off to the side and maybe put this in a giveaway for you guys at a later date and time. The next item in here is by The Balm. It's Sexy Mama Anti-Shine Translucent Powder. And The Balm is always in this box. We've gotten The Balm quite a bit. We've gotten blusher and we've gotten eyeshadow. So let's see what this looks like. Open this up. So the box looks the same. Looks like this. And then it is in, what's the shade? No, it's just translucent, I guess. There's no shade on here. Okay, no problem. Sometimes there's a shade. It does have a little mirror. It's not too big. Don't want to blind you. But here's what it looks like. It actually looks like a decent shade I can deal with. It's not too dark. So let's see. It's got a lot of pigment there. I'm going to put that right here. You can't see it. But there it is. I did bring a brush just to see. Let me use my Farrah brush that I got in it, I think an Ipsy bag a few years, not years, a month or two back. Let's try it. Let's see. It feels nice. Covers everything. I probably shouldn't have put this on yet because there's another product in here that I see that I'm going to be pulling out next. But I like this product. I like translucent powders. I did just pick up the Cover FX one that they had during the 21 Days of Beauty. But this one is pretty good. I could probably, it's decent travel size. You can put this in your bag and travel with that one. Nice size. The next item is the Manizer Sisters, aka the Luminizers. It's the Luminizing palette. I believe it's a highlighting. And it is again by The Balm. I do like their packaging. It always has this like, what is the word? I know it's right there. Come on. It'll come to me later on, so let's pull it out. We'll just keep moving on. It'll come to me. It has this like 50s vibe kind of, even with their hair. It's like, this looks like Lana Turner and, you know what I'm saying. And it does come with that mirror again. And then here's the 3 shades in here. And it says, Guilty of Being Gorgeous. Coupable d'etre magnifique. It's how you say it in French. You've got Mary Lou, Cindy Lou, and Betty Lou. Cindy Lou who? Yeah. Go here. Go into that one. And this is really dark. So you've got kind of a champagne-y color, you got a pinky shade, and you got this dark shade at the end. And here's what it looks like. I'm going to put that right next to that translucent powder. And you still can't see them. But these look really nice. I could probably use this brown here as a eyeshadow because it looks, yeah, it's a little dark for me. So we'll try it out. But I do like their packaging. I like this. This looks like they're in a lineup at the jail. Anyway, it is a highlighting palette. Oh shoot, I didn't tell you how much the translucent powder is $20 for this. Okay, and this the Manizer Sisters is $28. And it says for the translucent powder, it's an anti-shine translucent powder. It's designed for girls on the run. This highlighting trio enables you to emphasize your finest features. It contains 3 triple milled multitasking highlighter, shimmers, and shadows. Say that 3 times fast. These champagne rose and golden bronze shades are flattering on all skin tones and easy to use, so you can take your glow on the go. I will say that about their palettes. They're very easy to just fling in a bag, or if you're going out after work, you can put these in your bag and go crazy. And this one, that dark golden bronze shade, you could probably use it for a bronzer to give yourself a little bit, you know, we're heading into the spring and the summer, and you want to give yourself that golden look. And the last item in here, I believe, yeah, there's only 5 items, is by Bella Pierre Cosmetics. It's a 12 color Pro Lip palette. It looks like this. Oh, you're getting a little bit of a shine there. Looks like that. And what does it say for this? This $50? $50! Oh my. Each shade is formulated with moisturizing ingredients that will leave lips feeling hydrated and soft while delivering high impact pigment. You can mix the shades together to create custom colors. I wouldn't pay $50 for this palette. Here's some of the shades. I guess I need to take this off. I was trying not to take it out of its packaging, as I tend to not gravitate towards lip palettes like this. But this does have, as I said, how many shades? 12? Whoops, it's falling out. So it has this as a cover, but then when you take it out, it's just like this. And then it has the colors on the back here. I like Envy. Okay, let me see. Let me open it up. It does come with a nice, fairly decent sized mirror right there. And then it's got this vellum sheet right here. And then there's all the shades, and it comes with a little pencil. I mean, the shades are actually pretty. I don't know. I'm getting a glare. It looks like that. So, I don't know if I'm going to swatch this or not, as... Let me see, what is in this? Mineral oil, wax. I thought I would be able to send this to my sister, but she probably won't use anything like that. I mean, this is, again, a really good, I wouldn't pay $50 for it. This is something you could throw in your bag for traveling, and you've got 12 different shades, all kinds of shades here that would keep you pretty much all going for the whole thing of your trip. We've gotten the balm before in a box, and we've gotten Bella Pierre. We've got highlighter or glow palette that had 6 of those in a palette. Let me see if these are like those. Yes, these are just like those. Each pan in here, you can actually pull them out. You see this little hole right here? Probably not. You can pop these out and put them in a Z palette, so you wouldn't have to necessarily take all 12 of these with you. You could take just a couple, put them in a small Z palette, or put them in a little magnetic palette and take it with you as you go about your day, or you've got a busy weekend, or you're going to visit your grandma, anything like that. How much was that? I said $50. That's right. I spent $40 on this box, and I do think it is worth the money. There's a few items in here that I don't believe I would have bought on my own. I'm grateful they're in this box. I'm grateful to have them. But to spend $20 for, how much product am I getting here? 0.25 ounces of translucent powder. I don't know. That seems a bit much. $20 for this? Yeah. I'm grateful I have it, but this together basically pays for the box. And I got these other 3 items for free. I don't know. This is $40 right here. Then I've got this $50 lip palette. That right there is $70. This box is supposed to be valued at $144. So right now I said we're at, what did I say, $70? This is $28. So this is $108. And this is $26 for an eyebrow pencil when I can get a NYX one for like $5. No. No, no, no. 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 Yeah. My math skills right now, I've got a headache. Anyway, let me see. $20 plus the 20 plus the 50 plus the 28 plus the 26 equals $144. So it is $144. Anyway, do I think it was a good box? Yes, I do think it's a good box. Would I personally spend what these are? Maybe not. If they were part of the 21 Days of Ulta sale, maybe, if they're half off. But some of them, they seem a little overpriced for what you get when you can find a drugstore brand that works just as good for less money. Even a third of what this costs. Anyway, I hope you all are having a great evening. I do feel it's worth what I paid for it. I paid $40 for $144 worth of product. So I hope y'all are having a great evening, and I'll see you in my next video, which will be my boxy. Bye, everybody.